Are statutory disclosures mandatory for home sellers? Imagine buying a house only to find out later about hidden problems that could have been avoided. That's why understanding if you need to share certain information before selling is so important. Most states requiring home sellers to provide statutory disclosures. These are legal documents that tell buyers about the property's condition and history. The goal is to give buyers a clear picture of what they're purchasing. Laws vary from state to state, but generally, sellers must disclose issues that could affect the property's value or safety. A key part of these disclosures is revealing material defects. These are problems that a reasonable buyer would want to know about before making a purchase. Common examples include foundation cracks, water leaks, pest infestations, roof damage, or environmental hazards like lead paint or asbestos. The list of what must be disclosed depends on local laws, and some states requiring a formal written statement, others relying on the seller's honesty and general legal principles. For people selling homes, especially investors, knowing these rules is essential. Not following disclosure laws can lead to legal trouble, including lawsuits from buyers who find undisclosed problems after closing. Even if you are not the original owner, you might still have to disclose issues you know about. That's why thorough inspections and research before listing are smart moves. They help you avoid surprises and meet your legal obligations when you sell. Most states want disclosures in writing, often using a standard form. Sellers answer questions honestly about the property's condition based on what they know. Some states limit disclosures to problems the seller is aware of, while others hold sellers responsible for issues they should have known about. There are exceptions, like sales between family members or estate sales, but these are less common for typical home sales. From an investor's point of view, these laws offer some protection by making sellers more transparent. But they also mean you need to do your homework. Failing to disclose known problems can cause legal issues down the line. That's why reviewing your state's specific laws and consulting with a real estate attorney or experienced agent is a good idea. Keeping records of all disclosures and communications can also help protect you later. Some investors even buy sellers' warranties or insurance to cover potential problems. In the end, statutory disclosures are usually required for home sales, including those by investors. Following these rules is not just about legal compliance. It's a smart way to reduce risks and build trust in your transactions. Being upfront about property issues helps you avoid future disputes and keeps your reputation intact in the real estate market.